Top 7 best meats for diabetics to lower blood sugar. Have you ever wondered which meats are the best for managing diabetes? Living with diabetes requires making smarter choices, particularly when it comes to your protein intake. While it's important to enjoy a variety of foods, not all meats are created equal. Some can raise your blood sugar and negatively impact your heart health, which is already a concern for many diabetics. That's why understanding which meats are best for you is crucial. In this guide, we'll explore the top 7 meats that are not only delicious, but also beneficial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. These options are lower in unhealthy fats and richer in the nutrients your body needs. Whether you're looking to diversify your meals or ensure you're making the healthiest choices, this guide will help you select the right proteins for a diabetic-friendly diet. Keep reading to discover the meats that can help you manage your diabetes and maintain a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Skinless chicken breast. Chicken is an excellent protein choice for diabetics when prepared properly. Skinless chicken breast, in particular, is one of the best cuts you can include in your diet. It's low in fat, making it a healthier alternative to fattier meats, which helps avoid spikes in blood sugar levels, a critical factor in diabetes management. Unlike darker cuts of chicken that contain higher fat content, skinless chicken breast provides lean protein that is both filling and heart healthy. The benefits of chicken breast extend beyond its low-fat content. It's high in protein, which helps regulate blood sugar by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates and keeping you full longer. Protein is also essential for muscle repair and growth, making it an ideal choice for maintaining a balanced diet while managing diabetes. To maximize the health benefits, opt for grilled, baked, or roasted chicken breast instead of fried, as frying adds unnecessary fats and carbs. Pair chicken breast with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or bell peppers to increase fiber intake and provide your body with essential nutrients. A simple yet nutritious dish could include chicken breast with a side of roasted vegetables or a salad with a light vinaigrette. By removing the skin and cooking it the right way, chicken becomes a powerful diabetic-friendly protein that can easily be incorporated into various recipes. Next time you're preparing a meal, reach for skinless chicken breast to fuel your body with lean protein while keeping your blood sugar levels stable. It's a simple, tasty, and effective way to improve your diabetes management. Salmon, and other fatty fish like anchovies and sardines are excellent protein options for diabetics aiming to manage their blood sugar. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their protective effects against type 2 diabetes. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and may even lower the risk of heart disease, a common complication of diabetes. By incorporating these nutrient-dense fish into your diet, you're not only getting a source of high-quality protein, but also providing your body with the healthy fats it needs. What makes salmon and similar fatty fish even more beneficial is their low glycemic impact. Unlike other protein sources that can spike blood sugar, these fish offer a steady supply of energy without causing sugar surges. This is vital for diabetics who need to maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Cooking salmon is simple and versatile. You can grill, bake, or pan-sear it with a touch of olive oil and your favorite herbs for a satisfying meal. Pair salmon with non-starchy vegetables like spinach, kale, or cauliflower, which are diabetic-friendly and low in carbs. A perfect combination would be grilled salmon served on a bed of steamed broccoli or a salad with leafy greens, creating a delicious and balanced meal. By regularly including fatty fish like salmon, anchovies, or sardines in your meals, you can reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and support better blood sugar management. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your diabetes control while enjoying tasty, heart-healthy meals. Pork tenderloin. Pork tenderloin is an excellent meat choice for those with diabetes. This lean cut of pork is low in saturated fat, making it a much healthier option compared to fattier cuts like bacon or sausages. The low-fat content helps keep blood sugar levels stable while providing the high-quality protein that diabetics need for muscle repair and overall health. Unlike processed meats, which can spike blood sugar levels, pork tenderloin is a clean, wholesome protein that you can enjoy without worry. One of the reasons pork tenderloin is such a great option is its versatility. It can be prepared in numerous ways that align with diabetic-friendly meals. For instance, you can cook it in the oven, grill it, or make a slow-cooked version for a tender, juicy result. It pairs beautifully with vegetables like spinach, cauliflower, and zucchini, all of which are low in carbs, rich in fiber, and help stabilize blood sugar. You could also try Parmesan pork medallions or an easy slow-cooked pork tenderloin, both of which are delicious and nutritious for managing diabetes. When it comes to pork, the key is choosing lean cuts and avoiding processed varieties. While bacon may be tasty, it's high in saturated fat and sodium, which can negatively affect heart health and blood sugar levels. Opting for fresh cuts like pork tenderloin ensures a heart-healthy, blood sugar-friendly meal. By incorporating pork tenderloin into your diet, you can enjoy a flavorful, satisfying meal that helps lower blood sugar while supporting weight management and overall health. Plus, its flexibility means you can enjoy it in a variety of dishes without sacrificing taste or nutrition. Filet mignon. Red meat can be a bit tricky when it comes to managing diabetes. Excessive consumption, especially of fattier cuts, can make blood sugar levels harder to control and increase the risk of heart disease. However, this doesn't mean you need to eliminate red meat entirely from your diet. When enjoyed in moderation and prepared properly, red meat can still be a healthy protein option for diabetics. The key is choosing lean cuts that are lower in fat. Filet mignon is a prime example of a great red meat choice, as it's very low in visible fat. By opting for lean cuts like filet mignon, you can enjoy the rich flavors of red meat without the added risks of unhealthy fats that may spike your blood sugar or contribute to heart disease. The protein in red meat is crucial for muscle repair, maintaining energy levels, and helping with blood sugar control. When cooking red meat, it's important to prepare it in a healthy way. Avoid frying or cooking it with excessive added fats. Instead, try grilling, baking, or broiling it to keep it lean. Pair red meat with non-starchy vegetables such as broccoli, spinach, or cauliflower to create a balanced meal that helps stabilize blood sugar levels. You could also combine it with healthy fats from sources like avocado or olive oil to make it more diabetes-friendly. If you're craving red meat, a small portion of lean cuts like filet mignon or top sirloin can be a satisfying and healthy choice without raising your blood sugar levels. Remember, moderation is key, and pairing it with the right foods will help you enjoy it without compromising your health. Incorporating red meat occasionally into your meals allows you to enjoy a variety of flavors while staying on track with your diabetes management. Skinless white meat turkey. When it comes to turkey, unprocessed turkey breast without the skin is one of the best choices for those managing diabetes. Unlike deli turkey, which often contains added sugars and sodium, skinless turkey breast is a lean protein that is extremely low in fat and free from saturated fat. This makes it a fantastic option for lowering blood sugar and maintaining heart health. Turkey breast is also packed with essential nutrients like niacin and selenium, both of which play a key role in supporting your immune system and boosting energy levels. Not only is turkey breast an excellent source of protein, but it's also a great low-calorie option, which helps with portion control and weight management. For diabetics, managing weight is crucial for keeping blood sugar levels stable. A serving of turkey breast can help you feel satisfied while providing the nutrients you need to stay healthy. One of the best ways to enjoy turkey breast is by preparing it at home. Try making herbed roast turkey breast, a simple yet flavorful recipe that enhances the natural taste of the turkey without adding extra sugars or carbs. To make it even healthier, pair turkey with low-carb vegetables like green beans, zucchini, or a fresh salad. This will not only complement the turkey, but also help manage your blood sugar levels by providing fiber and vitamins. By choosing skinless turkey breast and avoiding processed deli meats, you can enjoy a nutritious, diabetes-friendly meal that keeps your blood sugar levels in check. Plus, it's a versatile ingredient that works in a variety of recipes, whether it's a roast, salad, or sandwich. Make turkey breast a regular part of your meal planning for optimal blood sugar control. Poultry, chicken, turkey, and duck. When it comes to choosing the best meats for diabetes, poultry is an excellent option, especially for those looking to lower blood sugar and maintain a healthy diet. Chicken and turkey are both incredibly versatile, offering a lean source of protein that helps control blood sugar levels and provides essential nutrients without the excess fat found in other meats. These lean cuts are low in calories and packed with vitamins like B6 and niacin, which promote energy production and support metabolic health. But don't limit yourself to just chicken and turkey. You can get more creative with your protein by adding roast duck to your repertoire. Duck is a richer, heartier option that provides a deeper flavor profile compared to chicken or turkey. Despite being higher in fat, duck offers healthy fats that are better for the heart when consumed in moderation. Roasting duck allows you to retain its natural moisture and flavor while controlling the amount of added fat. If you're thinking about how to prepare duck in a diabetes-friendly way, try incorporating it into dishes like Peking duck or ginger duck. These traditional recipes can be made healthier by pairing duck with low-carb cauliflower rice instead of starchy side dishes. This combination offers a flavorful, satisfying meal that keeps your blood sugar levels in check while giving you a new twist on your poultry dishes. Another great way to enjoy chicken or turkey is by adding them to salads, soups, stir-fries, or baked dishes. The mild flavor of these meats makes them a perfect addition to almost any dish while providing a great protein boost without spiking blood sugar levels. For diabetics, making poultry a staple in your diet can help control hunger, improve blood sugar regulation, and support overall health. Whether you're sticking with classic chicken or turkey or getting creative with a duck dish, poultry is a smart choice that combines nutrition, taste, and blood sugar benefits. Pair your favorite poultry with non-starchy vegetables or cauliflower rice to build a balanced, diabetes-friendly meal. Organ meats. If you're an adventurous eater looking to try something new, organ meats could be a game changer for your diabetic-friendly diet. Organ meats like liver, kidney, heart, and tongue are incredibly nutritious and offer a wealth of benefits, especially for those looking to lower blood sugar. These cuts are packed with fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K, which play a crucial role in supporting your immune system, promoting healthy vision, and helping regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, vitamin B12, found in organ meats, is essential for energy production and nerve health. If you're wondering how to get started with organ meats, don't worry, it's easier than you think. A great way to introduce these meats into your diet is by mixing them with ground beef. Start with a ratio of 70% beef to 30% organ meat. This blend allows you to enjoy the nutrient-dense benefits of organ meats without overwhelming your taste buds. You can use this mixture in burgers, meatballs, or even tacos. The possibilities are endless. For beginners, dishes with bold flavors like tomato sauce-based recipes or spicy curries are perfect. The strong spices and sauces will help mask the distinct flavor of the organ meats, making them more palatable. For those who want to go beyond the basics, try incorporating organ meats into more advanced dishes like Vietnamese pho, Indian curries, or a hearty chili. The rich, complex flavors of these dishes complement the intense taste of organ meats, making them an exciting addition. If you're feeling really adventurous, you can even experiment with traditional German sausages, which often include organ meats like liver and heart. Including organ meats in your diet not only offers an exceptional source of vitamins and minerals, but can also help you control blood sugar and boost energy levels. These nutrient-dense options are a smart way to diversify your meals while enhancing your diabetes management. Plus, the variety of ways you can prepare and pair organ meats with other healthy ingredients makes them a delicious and versatile choice for any adventurous eater. Conclusion: incorporating the right types of meat into your diet can make a world of difference when it comes to managing blood sugar levels and living a healthier life with diabetes. Whether it's lean cuts like turkey and chicken or nutrient-dense options like organ meats, each of these choices offers a variety of benefits that can help lower blood sugar and keep you feeling your best. Now that you know the top 7 meats for diabetics, it's time to get creative in the kitchen and start incorporating these delicious options into your meals. Before making any changes to your diet, remember to consult your doctor to ensure these choices are right for you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Drop a comment below and let us know which meat you're excited to try first, or if you already have a favorite in your diabetic-friendly meals. Stay healthy, take control of your blood sugar, and enjoy the journey toward a balanced, nutritious lifestyle. You've got this. Thank you for reading. If you found this information useful, please support us by sharing this guide. Your support motivates us to continue creating helpful content to assist you in living a healthier life. Thank you, and take care.